Hello and welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel for day 156. This was the 2nd of February, a Thursday. Started off the day with exercise, 45 minutes on the treadmill with 6 minutes of jogging. I think I might have said on the first I did 5, but I actually did 6 because I'm starting to increase it, a little bit. So I did a 6-minute jog, and then I still did 45 minutes on the treadmill. And then I spent the day, I worked on books, two-step drop shipping, Remote Wellness Academy, and the solar business. And what I'm grateful for today is for people who are delivery drivers, the Uber Eats, the DoorDash, the Amazon Flex, everyone who makes deliveries possible. I'm grateful that those people are there. And I'm grateful for people who have supported me when I was doing those activities. A lot of people gave me a lot of good tips, and I'm very appreciative of that. Thanks very much for watching, and I will talk to you tomorrow.